Hey y'all, it's Deanna. Hey, I got my Found Objects Challenge in the mail yesterday, Thursday, and this is Friday. What is today? 15th maybe? Or 14th, I don't remember. Anyway, I'm gonna open it up and see what I got. It's challenge sponsored by, or held by Thunderhorse Descendant. You pay $5 for the bag, and then now it's $5. Her shipping went up, which I don't know, shipping went up for everybody. $5 for shipping, and then I think there was some tax. Anyway, it came to like $10.40, and it's usually, I hate wasting this tissue paper that I could reuse. Anyway, it's usually used jewelry pieces. It's called Found Objects. Because they're not brand new. I don't know where they find them, but they find them somewhere. And she sends you some, a bag of stuff, and you make jewelry or whatever you want to make with it. And then you submit your pictures to her website, and she enters you in a drawing. What are these? They have more than one. Well, these must be connectors for like a double strand bracelet or something. And these two must have been in between them. That one's missing a stone. I don't have any stones to replace it, so that would be on my, y'all know, if you watch, my sun catcher pile. And all of these little links. These are cute. These would make cute little earrings. They look really old. They're tarnished. They're just acrylic. It's not real stones. Those would be cute little ear drops if I can find a set that's not too beat up. I have to clean them up. Clean them up, clean them up. These were some earrings somebody made. And they're acrylic too. Maybe the seed beads might be glass, but a lot of this feels like it's acrylic. Grays, black, silvers. Okay. And then this bag, what's in here? This one's gonna be difficult, y'all. I thought the last one was hard. And do I have a tray? No, but I have a little box. Because there's itty bitty seed beads in there. There's this, it's some kind of gemstone. I don't know what. This one looks like a composite of something. Okay, y'all, I don't know what to do with all this stuff. I have no idea. I got a little leaf. One little leaf. It's got purples in it. There's something there too. This little glass cube triangular. I don't know what shape you call that at all. What do they call these daggers? A glass square, rectangular, squared on one side. Well, not really. A rectangle. One bead cap. One bead cap. And these little plastic pearls, not so much. I won't use those. Because if y'all know me, I try to sell my jewelry. Because I don't wear it. So I gotta have stuff. I don't know it's a found objects that are used, but I try to find stuff that I can use for something and then sell it. That's just a little glass bead. And another little glass pink bead. Get up out of there. My little leaf fell in the curb, whatever. A little star shape, long tube bead. Just a little, I think that's acrylic. Another glass bead. A little wooden bead. A heart. I don't know if that's glass. It feels like it might be glass. And I'm gonna guess this is like a potato pearl. Is that what they call them? And a little, might be glass, might be acrylic. And there's another little bitty thing in here. Just a little round bead that is faceted. I think that's just a piece of leather that shouldn't be there. What is this? It's nothing. Well, no, it's a bead, but I don't know what kind. And then some seed beads and a little bigger seed bead. Okay, y'all. I have no clue. And okie dokie. There's the earrings. Sort of earrings with these little things. I have no idea. I'll get these cleaned up, see if they look better. Dawn soap and water. Alrighty, y'all. Anybody have a clue as to what I could do? Because I'm at a loss. I'm open to suggestions. Okay, y'all. That's that. I'll post this here in a little while. Try and get my earring video posted too, that I did the other day. Alright, y'all. Y'all have a good one. Bye.